Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix audio issues in Marathon like crackling, stuttering, muffled, or audio cutting problems on PC. First, launch the game and go to Settings, Social Voice Chat. Make sure the correct input microphone and output speaker are selected. Try switching between speaker, headphone, TV, or home theater audio devices. Next, press Windows plus R, type the provided command, check video description, click OK. Then right-click your speaker, Properties, Services tab, uncheck Hands-Free Telephony if enabled. Apply. OK. If still not working, right-click on Start menu. Open Device Manager, Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. If you see any hands-free or extra audio device, disable it temporarily. Press Windows plus G to open Game Bar. Make sure volume is set to 100 and the correct audio devices are selected. Also check Windows sound settings and select the correct input and output devices. Next, to click on Start button, type Control Panel in the search bar. Open Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, Sound, Speaker Properties, Advanced tab. Try changing sample rate to 24-bit 48,000 Hz, 16-bit 48,000 Hz, 24-bit 44,100 Hz, 16-bit 44,100 Hz. Apply changes each time and restart the game after every change. Turn off spatial sound, or try Windows Sonic for headphones. If you are using controllers or extra USB audio devices, disconnect them while launching the game. Disable unused audio software like virtual audio devices in playback and recording tabs. Finally, verify game files from Steam. Right-click on the Game Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Restart PC after applying changes. One of these steps should fix your audio issue. That's it for today. Please like, share, and subscribe.